This is a hot minute, a special look at my charts that our level 4 members get with our proprietary indicators on gold, silver, and copper. We're going to look at this very quickly. 12 charts that we're going to look at. We're going to start looking at gold, cycle analysis, of course. And what's important here as we look at this is we are in an area here where the gold market looks very toppy. We have a downward turn in our reversal scout right over here, and that really says this market is likely to struggle and possibly fall down to the area of 1900 over coming months. This low is over here is out in August or September. Let's scroll really quickly as we move through these charts. This is the daily chart, and on this daily chart right over here, there's an important breakdown of the cycle. And what that says to us is that this right over here, that break of that level, sends it down over here for at least the next few weeks. You can see on the bottom here is our option bias study, just a great indicator. It tells you how to keep your positions biased in what direction. And right over here, you could see that is turned negative, and that says you should have your option positions biased to the short side. Let's take a look at the momentum indicator here, and you can see on the bottom also is the slim ribbon PO, and that tells you when there's upside resumptions to the momentum conditions or when they are negative. As you can see the slim ribbon above, and you can see right over here the downward resumption and negative conditions here looking at the slim ribbon PO. And the last one we're going to look at in here is our market condition indicator right over here, the MCI. You can see when it goes through the 25, it's a test. It hasn't gone through the minus 25 yet, but over here you could see on this 2-hour chart how these resumption signals on the downside have been warning you of weakness in the gold market. Let's take a look at silver. Silver, the same thing, a downward turn here on the reversal scout. It says that these prices are likely to fall out here into this period in August. We look at the daily chart, a breakdown in here. You're probably going to get a bounce, but what's going to happen is that this will be rolling over and then coming down again. So we're going to get that kind of action going on in here in the silver market. Again, looking at here at the option bias study, here it was telling you to bias on the long side. Now it's telling you to bias on the short side. Great information you get out of these. This is the momentum indicator, and you can see where it was positive and there were upside signals right there. And now you can see it has turned negative as the slim ribbon has turned negative there. And you're going to get a downside resumption signal coming up over there not too far away. Here's the silver market on the 2-hour chart, and this one also getting into the swing zone here on the market condition indicator, the askSlim MCI, and still negative conditions that you can see in there. Here is the copper market. This is interesting because copper looks like it's going to bottom sooner than the other metals. That really looks to us like there's an important bottom going to be put in here in the next couple of weeks. There is a daily trough that syncs up in June that looks like that's where it will make the low. You can see right over here that that is actually coming down into this period. So a low is due to form in the copper market. I want you to note the bottom warning signal. You see those 2 orange dots over there. That's telling you that it is getting extremely oversold on the downside and reversal is pending. And you can see it's trying to move back to the upside right now. So important information off of the option bias indicator, which kept you biased negative in here. Now it's telling you it is overdone on the downside. And here's the momentum indicator right over here on the daily. It shows you the downside resumptions through over here through end of April, early May. And now over here setting up for another one more maybe downside rejection in there before this begins to improve. And the last chart over here is the 2-hour chart, and you can see how this has just kept you negative. Look at the MCI way over here on the downside, telling you how bad this is. The 2-hour chart giving you these downside resumptions, and probably has another one coming over here. So copper has some work to do too. This has been a long hot minute on special looking at these metals with our proprietary indicators, and these are the charts that our level 4 members get on Thinkorswim. You can now see how you can get the same thing. Watch this coming up. This is the final weekend for our Level 4 Top Tier Special Trial for first-time subscribers and upgrades. For the first 3 months, you're going to get our Level 4 membership for 35% off. That's only $303.75. That's $101 and a quarter a month versus the regular $159 per month. And when you sign up for this, you're going to get our new MCM, which is our market condition monitor, completely free. You're going to get that for 3 months, no strings attached. You won't pay any more money for that. And this offer is only good through 5/28. That's only through this weekend. You want to know more information on that, you can write to Matt, but I'm going to show you some more right here. You can see here as we look at this market condition monitor. This is just a screenshot of it. And you can see the fantastic information you get in here. You can actually toggle to the style of trader that you are when you look at that, or look at individual time frames. So if you're an intermediate, short-term, near-term swing trader or intraday, you're going to be able to toggle right into the conditions of 114 different of the top traded symbols, including all of the indexes you see there, index ETFs. So there's just an amazing amount of information in there. It features our next level proprietary momentum analysis technology. It has our algorithms built right into it. And every time something changes, it goes right on the change log there. And you can just use this to scroll for the conditions, whether you want to see the bullish or bearish. It's just a great way to toggle back and forth. Sign up for that new level 4 membership and enjoy this premium version of the MCM completely free for the next 3 months. And that valid offer is only to 5/28. Here's what you get in there. You're going to get our multiple time frame charts, the whole focus list of the 84 top traded symbols, plus much more in that MCM. And you're going to be able to view that live on your own Thinkorswim platform. So again, this is level 4, and it does require Thinkorswim. You'll get our proprietary studies, the Slim Ribbon PO, Reversal Scout, Market Condition Indicator, Option Bias Indicator, and more. All of that we developed, and you can import that and save it right on the Thinkorswim platform. You're going to get our TOS grid archive with all of our custom charts and best indicators. You're going to get tons of support resources, which includes our live webinars. That's askSlim Live, chart analysis trading, and Q&A with me and the whole team. And you'll get full access to our Discord with our best practices for utilizing all of our custom charts and studies. You're going to have full access to the Market Condition Monitor Premium, and of course, everything in levels 3, 2, and 1. This is a huge amount of content. Nobody offers anything like this, and you can try this for the next 3 months for just $303.75. And that, of course, includes you getting that free look at our Market Condition Monitor Premium. You want to learn more, go to askSlim.com, top of the front page, and click that Learn More button. There's lots of information there. Or you can write to Matt at askSlim.com. Don't miss this opportunity, only through this weekend.